wood in art. Wood has been used in art for thousands of years and continues to be a popular medium for artists today. Here are a few examples of how wood has been used in art throughout history. Wood carving. Wood carving is one of the oldest and most traditional uses of wood in art. It
يعني ده لسه
involves
من الزرع، ده
using
لسه
hand
كوتش.
tools to carve and shape wood
عارف
into
الكوتش.
a three-dimensional form. Many cultures
الانجليزي بيستخدموا
have their
خنزرة.
own unique styles of wood carving,
لا
including
بيستخدموا خنزرة
African,
ده ممكن يكون.
Chinese, and Native American.
بيستخدموا خنزرة ده ممكن يكون.
Sculpture. Wood is also commonly used as a medium for sculpture. Sculptors can carve, shape, or construct wood to create a wide range of forms, from figurative to abstract. Woodblock printing. Woodblock printing is a technique where a design is carved into a block of wood, which is then used to make prints on paper or fabric. This technique has been used in many cultures throughout history, including in Japan, where it is known as ukiyo. Furniture. Wood is a popular material for furniture making, and many artists have used furniture as a medium for their art. Some artists have created functional pieces that are also works of art, while others have used furniture as a canvas for their artistic expression. Wood turning. Wood turning is a technique where a piece of wood is mounted on a lathe and spun while the artist uses tools to shape and carve it. This technique is commonly used to create bowls, vases, and other decorative objects. These are just a few examples of how wood has been used in art. Wood is a versatile material that offers many possibilities for artistic expression, and artists continue to find new and creative ways to use it in their work.